And now for the news in detail. Suspended Congress legislators Ampareen, Lyngdoh and Mohendro Rapsang resigned as MLAs on Monday. They submitted their resignation letters to the Assembly Commissioner and Secretary Andrew Simons. They have joined the NPP this afternoon. UDP MDC from Giant Hills Autonomous District Council, Mlanki Lamare from Narpo was also inducted. The induction program was organized in the presence of NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Vice President Preston Tinsong. On this occasion, the Meghalaya Unit President of NPP, Dr. W.R. Kharluki, also introduced the 6 NPP candidates from Shillong City who will contest the upcoming assembly polls. Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh is also appointed as a spokesperson of NPP. She will fight from East Shillong, while Mohendro Rapsang will fight from West Shillong constituency-owned NPP ticket.